Yo, what's going on, guys? Wait, it's a bit too loud? Yeah, it's a bit too loud. Yo, what's going on, guys? It is Thursday. Thursday open. Let's go. How's everybody doing? Hope y'all doing great. Alright, alright. Let's go. Yesterday, look what we did. We dumped all the way back here and we wicked back up. Can you imagine doing this in the hourly candle? How much manipulation do you want to have? Like literally, how much manipulation? Yesterday, bro, it was at 7 o'clock. Wasn't even news. It just like whipped down and that's it, you know. It's like it probably took the stop loss of everyone who set their stops here. Yeah. This is not good. What the market is giving us nowadays is anything but good. Alright, so let's keep our eyes peeled for anything. Yo, Sarif! Hello, man. How are you, bro? Good, good, good. You? How's it going, man? How's it going, brother? How are you? How's it going for you? Let's go. Let's get it over with the week. How are you, man? How are you? I'm not good, buddy. What's happening? Come on. Tell me what's happening, brother. What you going through? Lost more accounts? I need to buy an account. No more accounts? You don't have any more accounts, bro? Do you trade gold? No. Never traded gold. Not interested. I'm not used to the move per point type of thing. I'm not used to its pointage moves. I'm only used on the ES and the Nasdaq. Nasdaq primarily, but also the ES as a secondary option. But no, I don't trade the gold. No, I don't have accounts. Yeah, sad. You need to buy an account, but you also need to like pass the eval, which sucks. You know that, right? You gotta pass the eval and then pay for the fee, which is currently on Apex 85 bucks. 85 bucks. Yeah, that sucks, man. I get you, man. You can make it, brother. Be patient. Patience does wonders, honestly. Be patient and you can make it. And not in trading, just in your life in general, not just in trading. Don't worry about it. The more you worry about it, it's not gonna get fixed either way, right? Worrying about it isn't gonna make it better, right? So, $85 is a lot for me. Of course. I mean, from where you come from, the value of your currency is definitely not great. So, yeah. Especially for your economy, I get it. Yeah. It's bad. I understand, man. Let me try turning on my camera here, boys. Our economy is literally shit. Yeah, I know. Where are you coming from? India or something? Where are you from? Where are you from? Let me see. Yo, what's up? How is your trading going on? Well, disciplined, very rough actually, but disciplined. We're 31 bucks, $31 in profit on the all funded accounts. I was up 129, but I'm back down to only 31 bucks in profit. So we're doing great. We're absolutely doing great, especially for how the market's been going. Hey, we're doing better than most people out there. We're doing better than most. Good to see you, buddy. Me too, man. Me too. Ah, you're looking energetic today. Yeah, I'm looking energetic, but here's the thing. Market-wise, I told you I'm from India. Yeah, India. I mean, yeah, the economy there is absolute trash. I know. I know. I'm energetic, but here's the thing. I'm not very hopeful. This week, I have low expectations for the market. Considering like the whole week has been trash, trash, trash. I mean, look at this. We're almost in a daily range. Hourly chart completely messed up. Literal hourly wicks. You know, to see a wick like this on the hourly chart, it just shows you like trash. It doesn't know where it wants to go. It does all types of funky stuff. Right now we're sitting here kind of in a spot. Like genuinely, I have low expectations. I'm genuinely not targeting big. If I can get my 35 points, I'm happy with that. Right now, this week, you might end up being profitable just by not trading. So my expectations for this week, kind of low. Energetic, but kind of low. So next week I look forward to, but this week I'm not gonna expect. Trade the ES if the ES offers better setups, but hey, let's see. Good luck. How was it? How was what? I didn't trade. Yesterday I traded, but I made no money. I didn't trade. The market still isn't open. It's gonna open in 8 minutes. Boys, come on. We can get to 100 subs. We're gonna go off from there. Come on. Drop a like on the stream. Share your stream with people. We need more transparency in the trading industry now than ever. Let's go. Might be another uneventful day. Just by looking at the charts. I'm like, bruh, it's gonna probably be ass again. What are the chances of it being ass? Hey, Angel, I'll leave. I'll leave. I'll leave, bro. Avila, correction. Silly me, sorry, Avila. Yeah, bro. We're having... Hey, chat is engaging. Look at that. Chat is engaging. Come on, 2 more minutes, we begin the analysis for the day. So you guys can fool around in the chat all you want right now, but in 2 minutes, it will be time for us to lock in and plan our trades. I mean, I'm gonna plan my trades, for sure. Lock in, boys. These money-making hands, I will call you Alia. I'm gonna call you... I'll call you Alia. Oh my god. What is going on in the chat? Sarif being the biggest rizzler right now. He's definitely, look at that. He's crown #1. So crown #1 in Sarif, meaning he's the #1 rizzler in the chat. Are you trading it? Yeah. Angel has a private fan, bro. Angel has a private fan. Who's that? Who's that? Who do you mean who's that? He just wants to call you that. He just wants to call you that. He gave you a nickname. Be happy about it. You just invented my name. Yeah, he gave you a nickname. Where's the view up, by the way? Oh, ho, ho. One minute, come on. Be careful. 1 minute. Alright. I'm gonna start locking in. I'm already gonna start locking in, looking for trades here. What do I want to see at open? What do I want to see at open? This sweep up here into the 20s. Very interesting point. So the hourly... Alright, let's begin, boys. Lock in. The money-making hand. Gotta lock in. Alright. My network is very slow. I'm not getting your name, Alia. Avila. How old are you, Avila? Bro, this is a genuine freaking... oh my god, rizzling chat. Sounds like a fairy. Secret. Okay, let's lock in. Let's lock in. So, daily chart starting to push here. Let's see. Nasdaq dumping here into the 57s. Kinda the 50-minute chart is looking like just a small pullback within the trend. And right now what I would look for is definitely for longs. Okay, we're kind of switching towards the downside here. Some sellers starting to step in. If I want to go long, then it would be above the 80s. Only above the 80s. That's where I'm willing to go long. As for the ES, probably above the 40s. Probably. But I want to see how the price action, again, the price action, that's all I'm interested in. As for shorts, I want this below the 25,000s. I'm not getting short unless we dump below the 25,000s. Okay, so let's mark this out here. 25,000s key area and 80s also key area. There we go. Marked out the levels here, and I am going to be trading in this area. We set our range up. So there we go. 4 minutes to market open. I'm primarily looking for longs. So in this area within the 25,000 to 25,080 might be a huge range. I'm only willing to take trades outside of these ranges, either to the downside or the upside. All right, get ready, boys. That's the plan. I'm gonna just shut the camera down so that my stream doesn't lag, and gonna switch here to my broker. We have our PA accounts loaded. As for the ES, I want this also below the view up, you know. Let's see. 3 minutes. Keep your eyes out. The 50-minute chart looks like it wants to switch directions. The hourly chart, meh, looking meh type of thing. And the daily chart looking again kind of more or less bullish. Not really sure. More or less. But I'm gonna be careful now, okay? I'm gonna be very, very careful. And we are gonna watch out. Also, I'm interested to take some trades on the ES today, maybe. Okay? As per my analysis, the admin streamer is young. So you're also young. So you're 29, am I right? What? No. You only have 2 chances to guess it. Ah, my god. What is going on in the chat? What is this? I'm young, of course. I'm like 19. The admin streamer. silly me. Dude, you're such a Rizzler, bro. Go start mewing, Sarif. Start mewing, become a chat. The Riz is crazy right now. You gotta start mewing your job. I'm so bad at predicting. Don't predict, man. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. 25 seconds till market opens. Okie dokie, boys. Come on. Is there any way that we can actually get something going on here? Come on. 3, 2, 1, go. Markets are open. Good luck, everybody. Place your bets. Nah, just kidding. No bets, bro. No fucking bets. I'm so bad for... Yeah, that's why you've blown so much account. You're so rude, human. Alright, what human, bro? Oh, sorry. Oh, man. Come on, people, focus. What is going on here? 70s. Okay. Starting to push here. Do we get the opportunity for a long or do we get stuck here? That's the question. If the ES keeps holding up here, the ES has also needs to push. You know? There it is. There's the 80s. There's the 80 push that I wanted to see. Now the ES question is, can this keep going? Okay, now retest the 80s and I'm willing to take a trade. I'm willing to get along here. A retest at the 80s seems fine. Let me actually set my stop here. Let me actually set a limit order. I don't trust this market, so I'm keeping my risk as low as I can. I don't like the ES, so I'm gonna move this to break even. I don't like the ES. I really don't. What is this? Okay, stop that break even. As long as the ES doesn't push with it, I'm not gonna participate. So that's why I moved it to break even. Mostly. This is why. Look at that. Look at the ES. If the ES keeps going down, this will drag the Nasdaq with it. So that's why I did what I did. I think it justifies, but in the same time, I'm like, eh. It's like the meh type of thing, you know. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the ES. Probably now is gonna drag with it. Yeah. Probably gonna get dragged. Nasdaq probably will get dragged. Happy for that, really happy for that break-even stop. Think I set my stop in the 64s or something, but I don't like this price action. Happy to get out there for a break-even trade. Lol. Being so low right now. Sorry to trade. You are my unknown friend. Lol. Nah, bruh. Okay, so what are we gonna do here? Wow. Wow, look at this trash. Whoa! The ES certainly doesn't look good. And as long as the ES stays low, so will the Nasdaq. Since I set my stop loss probably here in the 64s or 65s. I don't envision. Yeah, it would have probably stopped me out. Very happy for that break-even stop loss. Ha! That was a bullet. That was a bullet dodged. I was like, if this wants to go, I set my target up there into the 120s because we also have a previous high into the 120s. If you look on the chart, the reason why I placed my target up there is because up here into the 20s, we have another high on the 3-minute chart. You can look on the larger time frames as well. Okay, so this, all in all, this looks like a bull flag. But I so don't trust this. Like this week, I'm genuinely skeptical of taking any type of trades. No matter how good they look. Because as soon as it goes one way, it immediately slaps back down. So there's a lot of manipulation. Drop a like. Come on, I wish we had like 10 viewers in the chat right now. Everyone could have had fun with you guys. Look at that. Oof. Sketchy. And that is why I'm break even. I saw the ES. By the way, guys, quick tip. If you guys are trading and you don't have the ES on your left or right, do a favor and throw it on there. It's gonna help you. Trust me. It's gonna help you a lot. Because kinda the ES is always leading the Nasdaq. So if the ES does something opposite to the Nasdaq will shortly like correct itself. Which is what we did here. Initially the strength was really looking good for a push. If you only add the Nasdaq, you'd be like, ah, this is gonna push to the moon, right? Nope, because the ES did what it did here. The Nasdaq simply was like, okay, I'm gonna go up, then okay, never mind, my brother here is gonna go down, so I'm gonna correct myself and go the other way. Ugh. No trades. I'm not gonna take any more trades right now because this is really wicky stuff. Like, look, we pushed, wicked, wick. This isn't normal price action. Genuinely. Like, I don't care if this goes up. This is not the setup I want to see. Good luck there. I'm gonna go play. I'm gonna look again in a bit to check. Okay, dear lady boss. You. Ah, lady boss. Bro, what is going on in the chat? Yo, what a conversation, man. So right now we are maintaining our good old accounts. Okay, we're wow, this is such an uneventful day. This is really bad. And also, since I don't plan to take any more trades until this does something. I'm gonna move my charts, and I want to show you guys. I want to show you guys here. All right. So, judging, I'm actually gonna take out these lines. I can't because of it. Just by the daily chart, we might look like we might chop. Do our next move. This might look like you're just average chop, if you want to call it that. So right now we're pretty much at the highs here, getting stuck here. 104s or even rounded up hundreds. 100 is kind of the resistance area. For now, this is the resistance area. This is where we rejected yesterday. So for now, we're getting stuck. Okay, we pushed up the second time. As you can see, pushed up 3 times, right? So we have one push here, another push here, another push here. This was a 60-point candle, for God's sake. A 60 damn point candle. What? My guy. Oh man. What is this volatility? We have a gap to the downside on a QQQ, by the way. Keep that in mind. ES going down. There you go. ES calling the moves on the Nasdaq by the ES. LOL. As you can see, the ES making a mini bear flag here. Kind of neat bear flag, if you ask me. Look at that. That's why I said no more trading. Look at that. Whoa, dude, relax, dude. Oh, nah. Over the past days, this been like this. Oh, Lord. How is everyone doing right now? Anyone made money? I'm sidelines. I'm just break even, and I only made like $1.98. What a freaking yeah, I'm like $1.92. You know what would be a great idea? Okay, so here's the thing. For more reassurance, wow, 41 points on this candle. Holy shit. Volatility is real. Okay, so here's the thing. We get above the hundreds. I want the retest in the hundreds. I'm willing to go again a second trade on the day. And I want to take a long. Alright? That's the plan. Ugh. Get above the hundreds. Then yeah, get somewhere, you know. Go up there. The ES has to push through the 39s there. And the Nasdaq has to push the hundreds. There we go. Trying to go through the hundreds again for a third time. There it is. Through the hundreds. Finally. Right? All the ES needed was like a retest into the VWAP. Probability is high. It's gonna see you soon. It's gonna chop. Probability is high. Yeah, it is high. It's probably choppy. Choppy chop. It's probably. I mean, yeah. The way it looks like it's has a good high chance of chop. Not gonna lie. Let's see. Do we have a second opportunity for another trade? Chop is dangerous. Be very careful trading this. ES retesting there. 100 retest. Ooh, not good on the 3-minute chart. Again, looks like a wick. Ooh. Ouch. Ouch. Oh. That was my initial target, 120. It did go there, but again, price action. Ouch. Wow. Okay, nah. I'm not gonna... Whoa. Wow, what a scary go, my days, bro. I don't think I'm gonna trade at all today. I'm just gonna keep my account. I honestly do not know what... This is just... This is stupid. That is just stupid. Just when you think... Look at this chop on the 3-minute here. Oh. Oh. Everything choppy chop, choppy chop. I'm not gonna trade anymore. Honestly, I'm gonna keep my accounts. As you can see here, up $33 on the account. From being up 130, we're still chilling. On the week, we lost 96 bucks. Trailing drawdown looking, honestly, looks amazing. Looks amazing. The trailing drawdown looks okay. I'm not gonna lie. Looks good. So account doing okay, and definitely We're chilling. And let me put some music actually. Let's put some music just to chill. When the days are shit, keep your spirits high. Just chill, you know. Chill. Doesn't hurt to chill. These are no longer called futures. These are stong.
How ice skaters enter the ice. One, first time. Two, trendy skater. Three, figure skater. Four, hockey skater. Five, rental skater. Six, wall hugger. How ice.
Good. Thank you, Sarif. Thank you. What is this? Trailing drawdown looking good. In a week like this, where this is the Terminator week, okay? So if you guys are watching this, this is Terminator week. Okay, so let's go to playlists. Let's put in some music. Keep your spirits up in term. This is a count Terminator right now. Okay, this is a count Terminator for sure. He's gonna wreck you. Everything you have plus some. The time that it does. Sheesh. What is this? Like I said, below the 25,000s and I'll reconsider with the shorts. This is one trade in the day and it ended up breaking all of it. Gotta love this shit. Let's see, what can we put? What can we put? Yeah, see? Chop. Seems like someone in the chat was correct saying it was exactly, buddy. I need one giveaway account, please. I will do giveaway soon. I will do giveaway soon. We need more viewers. We need like to make it fair, to like true, so that it doesn't look like charity. Like we need like at least 6 to 7 views to make it fair, and then you give 2 accounts away. You know, there's there's the chance of 7 for you to win. course, like if there's only one person in the chat, then it's guaranteed win. But then of course it's like, yeah, I believe for me to give away accounts, I believe I need to like have a deal with Apex. Like I believe I need a contract with Apex and to talk with some of the guys there. So I don't have yet contracts with Apex. For now, let's just vibe. You know, on days like this, you just gotta vibe sometimes. You don't even need to touch the charts. You'll make money simply by not trading, waiting for your setups. So let's go. Just don't touch the charts, you'll be fine. Yeah, you're all vibing in there. Come on, let's get it. You're all vibing, guys. Come on. You guys enjoying this, even if I don't trade. Glad you're all vibing in the chat, man.
Welcome to the
Dump this Ponzi. Dump this Ponzi. Y'all looking for a dump in the market? What are you guys looking for in the market? You guys want a dump?
Trying to find the parts that I lost. How did I lose them? Fade away with time, one by one. When the sparks don't fly, we hit the ground. And when we close our eyes, we hear the sound of sinners in the dark, a woman crying blue, trying to find the start, looking for the truth. Another beating heart, trying to get to you. But when the sparks don't fly, we hit the ground.
It is now. No, don't run your soft legs. You're gonna get tired. It's now chop fest. Yeah, chop fest, exactly. I mean, look at the daily chart here. Not looking good. Look like he wants to build some structure on the hourly chart, but not really anything he can possibly do. Nothing. Alright, let's get some little bit of more passage here. Tune a little bit more, bro. Let's get some, bro. Come on. Y'all like the goats in the chat? Someone asked for goats in the chat. Y'all like the goats in the chat? Bruh. Did somebody ask for goats?
Skin, I'm folding. Come in, my friend. You feel unsteady, but I won't bend.
Why your goat looks so funny? It's just goats. It's how YouTube is putting them, bro. That's how they're putting the goats, bro. I don't even know how am I supposed to like. Well, what other goats do they have here? Are you? I found another goat. Is that a better goat? Is that a better goat? Some nostalgic music coming in. A little bit of nostalgia. A little bit of universal space nostalgia coming in. Let's dance. Exactly. Let's not trade. Don't be stupid, don't trade. Let's dance. On shit days like this, you gotta dance. Yo! Right now. I still can't forget the fact that we dumped on Friday 1,100 points straight down. Just look at this shit. From the all-time highs. The crypto market also dumped. Bitcoin also dumped. That's the thing. If I pull up Bitcoin here, Bitcoin also dropped here, as you can see. Wow, dropped 11. What? It dropped $22,000. Some people went broke. Huh? Look at gold. Take care, Sarif. If you're gonna go, take care, Sarif. Trade smart, be patient. Yo, take a look at gold. What? Why did I even mark these back then? What the hell? Gold, dude! Oh my god. Gold, oh my god, dude. Gold is straight up right now. The dollar is going down a little bit. It's not meme coin. It's not meme coin, bro. It's not meme coin. Look. I lost 90% by shorting gold, this shit. No, it's not meme coin. It's not. Look. It's from an actual, like, it's XA. Look. Gold spot US dollar. Vantage. Which is actually the real gold. If you look, the price is the same. It's not meme coin. This is the real gold. Gold spot. This is the real gold. Meme coins don't look like this, bro. They don't look like this. Trust me. Meme coins look rug pullish. This is straight up, okay? This is the real gold, but be careful. Vantage is a real trading platform. When you see gold spot / US dollar, it is the real gold. And you can also look up Vantage. It is a real trading platform. So yeah, meme coins, yeah, if you want meme coins, go on meme coin platforms like pumpfun.com or something. You'll find plenty of gold meme coins there. And meme coins don't have the price that you see there, trust me. $4,000, like, pfft, it's fucking expensive. All right, everybody, gonna go now. There's nothing for us to do here. It's just not doing anything. If you're trading this shit, you're gonna get screwed either way. So what you want to do now is just sit back. I mean, the ES is giving a bit. Even the ES, not straight. No, it's not that good. So I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys tomorrow, Friday. Tune in. Friday, tomorrow morning, last day of the week. How will we end the week? That's the question. Look at the QQQ. Look at the price, boys. Don't enter. 666. Don't enter, boys. It's the devil. It's the devil's crack. It's the devil's ass crack right now. He's gonna shit on us. Look at that. QQQ sitting at 6,000 at 666.69. Don't enter a trade. That's why the QQQ 666. I'll be seeing you guys Friday. Stay safe, everybody.